Welcome to Digital Wealth Lab, where money meets technology. Here we explore smart finance, AI tools, business systems, and cutting-edge technology to help you build wealth in the digital age. If you want to work smarter, earn more, and stay ahead of the future, subscribe and let's build together. For hundreds of years, banks have controlled how money moves, how it's stored, and who gets access to it. But right now, something historic is happening. Technology is quietly reshaping the financial system, and many people don't even realize it yet. The real question isn't if banks will change, it's how much of their role will be replaced. Welcome to Digital Wealth Lab, where money meets technology. In this video, we'll explore the future of money, why traditional banks are being challenged, and what systems could replace them in the years ahead. This isn't about fear or hype, it's about understanding where money is going, so you can position yourself ahead of the curve. The landscape of finance is changing rapidly, and those who adapt will thrive. As we navigate this transformation, being informed and proactive will be key to harnessing the opportunities ahead. The future is bright for those willing to explore innovative paths and embrace the change in the financial landscape. Together, we can redefine what it means to manage and grow wealth in this new era. Embrace the journey as we uncover the innovations that will shape our financial future. Join us as we explore the tools and trends that will help you navigate this evolving financial landscape. Traditional banks were designed for a different world, one with paper money, physical branches, and slow transactions. Today's world is digital, global, and always online. Banks face challenges like slow processes, high fees, limited access, and outdated infrastructure. Consumers expect instant payments, transparency, and control over their finances. Technology companies move faster than banks, while startups innovate faster than institutions. This gap has created space for new financial systems to emerge, systems that are cheaper, faster, and more user-centric. Banks aren't disappearing overnight, but their dominance is being questioned like never before. In this new landscape, innovative startups are challenging the status quo, offering services that cater to the demands of a tech-savvy generation. These new entrants focus on user experience, providing seamless solutions that empower customers with financial tools right at their fingertips. As traditional banks struggle to keep up, the consumer's choice is expanding, redefining how we view and manage money. The rise of Fintech is not just a trend, it's a paradigm shift that could reshape the future of banking. One of the clearest signs of change is the decline of cash. Around the world, people now pay using mobile wallets, contactless cards, QR codes, and online payment platforms. In many countries, entire businesses operate without handling physical cash at all. Digital payments offer speed, convenience, and traceability, qualities that modern economies value. As societies become more cashless, money becomes data. And once money becomes data, it can move faster, smarter, and across borders instantly. This shift reduces the traditional role banks played as intermediaries for everyday transactions. The transition to a cashless society brings along challenges and opportunities. Businesses must adapt to keep up with consumer preferences for fast and secure transactions. With increased reliance on technology, security becomes paramount to protect against fraud and data breaches. Furthermore, this digital shift empowers consumers with tools to manage their finances more effectively. As money transforms into data, innovative technologies emerge, shaping the future of commerce. Fintech companies are one of the biggest challengers to traditional banks, offering services like digital banking, payments, lending, investing, and budgeting through apps and platforms designed for modern users. Fintech doesn't try to replace banks all at once. It replaces specific functions and does them better, allowing people to choose services individually instead of relying on one institution. The result is a more flexible financial ecosystem where users have greater control and choice, enabling them to tailor their financial experiences to their individual needs. This shift allows for greater personalization in financial management, as users can easily access the tools they need to reach their goals without the constraints of traditional banking. With innovations constantly emerging, the fintech landscape continues to evolve, providing more opportunities for users to optimize their finances through technology. As more people embrace these digital solutions, the empowerment of users within their financial journeys transforms not just individual lives, but the entire landscape of how money is managed. This evolution fosters innovation and competition, driving traditional banks to adapt and enhance their services in response to the growing demand for seamless digital experiences. Another major shift comes from blockchain technology. Blockchain enables money to move without centralized intermediaries, revolutionizing the way we think about finance. Decentralized finance, often called DeFi, allows users to transfer value, lend and borrow, store assets, and execute transactions, all without traditional banks. This doesn't mean banks vanish tomorrow. It means that trust is shifting from institutions to code and systems. DeFi introduces transparency and programmability, but it also comes with risks and complexity. Still, it represents one of the most radical reimaginations of money ever created. As individuals from various backgrounds gather around digital interfaces, they explore the possibilities that decentralized finance brings to their lives. This scene illustrates a shift where collaboration and innovation thrive, contrasting sharply with the rigid structures of traditional banking institutions. The split-screen image highlights this transition, showing how modern digital platforms offer flexibility and accessibility, while traditional banks cling to their established methods. Governments and central banks are also adapting to the changing landscape of finance. Many countries are exploring central bank digital currencies, or CBDCs, which are digital versions of national currencies issued and controlled by central banks. CBDCs aim to modernize payment systems, increase efficiency, and improve financial inclusion. They combine the stability of government-backed money with digital technology. CBDCs show that even traditional institutions recognize that change is unavoidable. The future of money is likely to be hybrid, blending old structures with new technology. Across the globe, nations are beginning to embrace the shift towards digital currencies, creating a dynamic landscape for the future of finance. As innovations unfold, the adoption of CBDCs is expected to reshape how individuals and businesses interact with money in their daily lives. This shift towards digital currencies enhances customer experiences and streamlines financial services, setting a new standard in how we manage our money. Education about CBDCs will play a crucial role in empowering future generations to navigate and thrive in this evolving financial landscape. Public discussions around CBDCs highlight their potential benefits while ensuring that security and transparency remain top priorities in this digital transition. Artificial intelligence is transforming how financial systems operate, leading to remarkable changes. Advanced technologies are being employed to detect fraud, assess risk, personalize financial services, and automate decisions. As artificial intelligence improves, financial systems evolve to become faster, smarter, and more adaptive, significantly reducing reliance on traditional human-heavy banking processes while enhancing efficiency at scale. Looking ahead, money management could become largely automated, with AI seamlessly handling tasks that once required entire departments. Financial institutions that do not integrate AI into their operations may find themselves struggling to keep pace with more agile digital platforms. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, innovative solutions will reshape the landscape of banking and finance. In this high-tech banking center, analysts work alongside artificial intelligence systems, scrutinizing real-time data and leveraging advanced algorithms to enhance decision-making. Meanwhile, the skyline of a thriving city illustrates how financial processes are increasingly intertwined with cutting-edge technology. The future promises an era where financial services are not only more efficient but also more personalized, giving consumers unprecedented control over their money management. It's important to be realistic. Banks won't simply disappear. Instead, many will shrink, specialize, and partner with technology. They will focus on regulation and infrastructure, evolving into platforms rather than gatekeepers. The financial system of the future will likely be fragmented, with different tools handling various needs. Those who understand how these systems connect will have a major advantage. As banks adapt to this new reality, they will integrate advanced technology to offer personalized solutions. The collaboration between finance and tech will create a seamless experience for users, making access to resources easier than ever before. Consumers will find themselves choosing from a variety of platforms tailored to their unique financial needs, emphasizing the importance of understanding these interconnected systems. With the rise of tech-driven solutions, consumers will benefit from unprecedented access to information and support. Young entrepreneurs will leverage these innovations, allowing them to make informed decisions about their finances. In this evolving landscape, adaptability and knowledge will be key for those seeking to thrive in a fragmented financial environment. The future of money isn't just a system-level change, it affects individuals profoundly. People who adapt early can reduce fees, increase efficiency, gain financial flexibility, and access global opportunities. Understanding digital finance becomes a vital life skill, while those who ignore change may find themselves relying on outdated systems in a rapidly evolving world. The goal isn't to abandon banks overnight, it's to understand options, tools, and positioning. As individuals embrace this shift, they unlock new pathways to manage their resources effectively. The conversation around money is evolving. It's no longer just about transactions, but also about creating value through innovation and adaptability. By harnessing the power of technology, people can shape their financial futures, taking charge instead of being passive observers. This journey towards understanding digital finance empowers everyone to navigate an increasingly interconnected world. Education in digital finance opens doors to new opportunities, allowing individuals to engage confidently with emerging technologies. Community-driven learning enhances understanding and builds networks, laying the foundation for collaboration and shared growth. As the landscape shifts, individuals who proactively seek knowledge will find themselves at the forefront of a financial revolution ready to thrive amidst change. Let's summarize. Banks are being challenged by digital payments, fintech platforms, blockchain, and DeFi digital currencies, AI, and automation. The future of money will be faster, more digital, and more system-driven. Those who understand these shifts won't just survive, they'll thrive. If you want clear, practical insights into how finance, technology, and systems are shaping the future of wealth, subscribe to Digital Wealth Lab. This channel exists to help you stay informed, strategic, and ahead of what's coming next. As we look ahead, each innovation brings both challenges and opportunities for traditional banks. The rise of digital currencies is redefining how value is exchanged, while AI and automation streamline operations and decision-making processes. Staying ahead in this evolving landscape requires embracing these technologies and adapting strategies to meet new consumer expectations. Education and awareness are key as we navigate this dynamic environment. By understanding the implications of these trends, individuals and businesses can make informed decisions that position them for success. Engaging with resources like Digital Wealth Lab empowers you to harness the power of technology in your financial journey. The future of money isn't about one system replacing another overnight. It's about how technology is reshaping the way value moves, how trust is created, and how financial power is distributed. Banks will continue to exist, but the systems around them are changing fast. Those who understand these changes early won't just adapt, they'll be positioned to benefit. In the next video, we'll shift focus from systems to skills. We'll break down the best tech skills to learn for high income in 2026 and why certain skills will matter far more than traditional qualifications. If you want clear, practical insights at the intersection of finance, AI, business, and technology, subscribe to Digital Wealth Lab and make sure to click the notification bell so you don't miss what's coming next, because the future rewards those who prepare.